Hey guys, what's up and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani, and as you guys can tell, this is going to be a very casual video. I am on my vlog camera and my arm is really starting to hurt already, but I am on my vlog camera and I wasn't planning on filming this video at all, but as if I haven't already spoken about it enough here on my channel, I'm leaving for a very exciting trip to somewhere in Europe tomorrow morning. Today is Thursday, July 26th, and I leave early tomorrow morning for an international flight. It's going to be crazy, and like I've said, I am going to be vlogging the entire trip here on this channel, so not sure exactly when this is going up. Hopefully it's going up before the vlogs start, but if it's not, or you guys are watching this a little late and you want to see my vlogs, make sure to watch those because they are going to be so much fun. But I leave tomorrow and I haven't started packing at all, like at all. So I've laid out a few clothes, but I personally love watching videos like this, and hopefully you guys do too. So if you do, make sure to let me know in a comment down below. And with all that being said, let's start packing. All right, so when I say I haven't started packing, I mean my suitcase is actually empty, but what I have done is I've pulled out some clothes that I think I want to bring. So as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be away on this vacation for almost 2 whole weeks. I'm pretty sure we're there for 12 days, including travel. I'm not too sure about that, but it's very close to 2 weeks, if not 2 weeks. So I need to fit 2 whole weeks of clothing in a carry-on bag. And I know a lot of you guys might be thinking, Dani, why the hell don't you just pack in a normal size suitcase? And that's a good question. I personally have this fear that I'm going to lose my suitcase one day. I have heard it happen to so many people, and that just really freaks me out. So in order to completely eliminate the possibility of that happening to me, I like to pack all of my clothing in a carry-on. It's definitely possible. You just have to be very strategic with how you pack. I actually packed this way when we went to Greece last summer, so I plan on using the exact same tactics this summer. So I promise you it works. You just gotta be a little bit creative with your packing. But I am going to get started. I'm gonna show you guys some of the things I'm packing, and then in order to see them like fully in like outfit form, then you guys have to watch all of my vlogs. So without further ado, let's just get into it. All right, so I know that this looks like one big mess, but I promise there is a method of organization that I have going on here. So I'm just gonna go through the 4 piles that I've separated out. The first of which is bathing suits. I decided it was a good idea to bring my entire bathing suit collection. I doubt that all of this is going to fit in that suitcase, but I mean, a girl can try. So the country that we're going to, we're actually going to be driving down the coasts. So that is going to involve lots and lots of beach trips. So that's why I thought it was necessary to bring basically all of the bathing suits that I own. And then over here, I have a pile for outfits for dinner. Personally, I think dinner time is when I take the majority of my pictures. So I like having a bunch of different outfits. These 2 dresses right here are the things that I'm most excited for. Like, these were from Forever 21, $12. And when you guys see this, you're gonna think that I bought it at like Urban or something like that, because they are so nice. So I have a whole pile filled with outfits for dinner. Over here, I have more casual outfits for walking around town. You guys have seen the majority of these clothes, but there are a few surprises in here that you guys will see in the vlogs. Over here, I have bras and underwear, and then some more casual clothes. So I actually have some gym clothes because we might be doing a hike, and then I also might go to the gym in some of the hotels that we go to. I don't know, maybe. So I brought my Lululemon shorts. I have a Loyola tank top, obviously. Gotta rep the school no matter where I am. I have this little sports bra-ish thing, I don't know, from Urban Outfitters, and then a pair of leggings, of course. And then over here, I have my travel outfit, which, guys, I am so excited for this. You have no idea. These pants right here from Free People, wait till you see them in the vlog. You guys are gonna freak out. So this is my travel outfit, and that is basically all the stuff, minus shoes, that I plan on fitting in that little suitcase. All right, so for all these bathing suits that I plan on bringing, the main way that I'm going to pack all of these is I'm gonna try and fit as many as possible in this little pouch. This I actually got alongside a bikini that I ordered from Triangle last summer. I love when they send the bikinis in this little pouch just because it's perfect for travel. So I don't know how many I'll be able to fit in here, but hopefully enough. And then the rest I'm just gonna stick in wherever they fit. So I'm gonna do that and then let you know how that goes.
We push back all our problems daily. Polaroid shots in the mountains, baby. We had time to make good night.
Now that I figured out the whole bathing suit situation, I need to move on into the actual clothing because obviously I'm not going to be wearing bathing suits every single day during these next 2 weeks. But I did want to show you guys a few of the things that I'm packing that I think are really smart to pack, especially when you're going on such a long vacation and you're going to a hot climate. So, the shirt that I'm wearing right now, I have a feeling I might get some questions. This is a bandeau that I ordered off Amazon for like $6, I think, from Sugar Lips. That's definitely a throwback. I haven't owned a Sugar Lips product in a very long time. So I ordered this tube top in a light blue color, and then I also ordered it in a black color. These things are great because they act as shirts, especially when it's really hot out, because I mean, I'm not going to be wearing something super bulky, but they also take up little to no room. So I got 2 of these and I'm going to be packing both of them. And then in addition to these shirts, I also like to pack really basic clothing pieces just because they're really versatile and I can style them a bunch of different ways. So this one is a great example. You guys have seen this multiple times on my channel if you guys are not new here. This one is from Brandy Melville and I had to make sure to pack it just because I can style it with basically anything. And the same goes for a white v-neck. Anywhere I go, regardless of the climate that I'm traveling to or whatnot, I always make sure to pack a white v-neck because I can style it with jeans, leggings, shorts, it doesn't matter. This thing is perfect and I literally do not travel without a white v-neck shirt. All right, now it is time to actually get to packing, but as I do so, I obviously want to be playing some music. I think I'm going to play my summer 2018 playlist just because I gotta get in the summer mood. I'm gonna be spending a lot of time at the beach this vacation, but if you guys are not already following me over on Spotify, make sure to do so. It will be linked down below and on the screen for you guys to check out. I'm very proud of my Spotify. I make multiple new playlists every single month, and I think my music taste is kinda for everyone. I don't know, I kinda listen to anything, and you're bound to find something new and something that you enjoy. So I'm going to play this playlist and get to work.
And don't you ever go, darling, cause you're all that I know, you're all that I know. Why did you change your mind and end up like? And now I'm on my own, maybe I'll call you on the phone, maybe I just
Guys, you cannot tell me that this is not one of the most satisfying things you have ever seen. I just successfully fit 2 whole weeks of clothing in a carry-on suitcase. That is unheard of. Guys, if I can do it, you can definitely do it too, I promise. One thing I will say, if you guys are watching this video and honestly questioning why it was so easy for me to fit this many pieces of clothing in a suitcase that small, the main reason why it's so easy for me is that I don't prioritize footwear whatsoever. I have never really been one of those people to own a lot of shoes or pack a lot of shoes on vacation. So that definitely saves me a lot of space in my suitcase for clothing and stuff like that. But I will say that I think I make up for the extra space that I have because I don't have shoes, because I pack my GoPro in my suitcase. So this definitely takes up a significant amount of room. I also still have to put my bathing suits in there, so it's not going to be super easy to fit all this stuff, but it's definitely possible, I promise. So I really quickly am going to go through with this packing list that I wrote in my planner because I've been working on this for a few days anytime something came to mind, and I'm pretty sure I've packed everything that needs to go in my suitcase, and now I have to move on to my carry-on. But I'm gonna go through this, make sure that I'm not forgetting anything too major, and then move on to the other sections of packing. There's a big bug on my light. It's a bee. Oh my God, it's a bee. There's a bee in my room.
No.
Yeah, look, down there. You see? I know. Please be careful. Thank you. All right, so a few hours and 1 slice of pizza later, I have made quite a bit of progress on my carry-on bag. If you guys want to see an exact video of what I keep in my carry-on bag typically, as well as a few travel outfit ideas, I actually posted that a few months ago, so I'll have that linked in a card. But in here right now, I have a sweatshirt because I always travel with a sweatshirt. My computer charger, I separated out some of my liquids. So I have a setting spray, a mini size of my favorite face wash. I have a little hairspray thing from Dry Bar, and then I have a deodorant. And then in here I have all of the rest of my makeup basically. So I'm going to finish packing all of this up. I did a quick outfit change just because I needed to pack the other shirt that I was wearing. But guys, I think I am officially done packing, which is crazy. My mom actually just got home from work a little while ago and I showed her my suitcase and she was very impressed. My mom does lots of traveling, if you guys did not already know that. So it's hard to impress her when it comes to organizing a suitcase and packing for long trips, but I did that job. So I'm feeling pretty damn proud of myself, but it looks so satisfying just to see all of these clothes packed into such a small suitcase. I'm very proud of myself, and I finished that. I also finished packing up my entire carry-on, which is so heavy. This thing is ridiculously heavy. I have 2 cameras in there, chargers, laptop, hard drive, like literally my entire technology collection is all in that bag, as well as a sweatshirt and makeup and all of that stuff. And that's pretty much it. I just basically finished crossing off all the things on my Portugal packing list. This thing is long and I've been accumulating this list for a very long time, so I'm happy that I was able to get everything crossed off. That's such a great feeling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to let me know in a comment down below. It was definitely more casual, but I figured it was a good way to transition into all these vacation vlogs that I'm gonna be doing soon. So if you guys are excited about these / enjoying these, because I don't know when this video is going up, please make sure to let me know. It really just would make me so incredibly happy. You guys have no idea. And if you have not done so already, make sure to subscribe to this channel and follow me over on Instagram. There's gonna be so many plugs in the upcoming week, so hopefully you guys can understand that, because I'm just really proud of all the content that I've been putting out recently, and I want everyone to be able to appreciate it and enjoy it. I don't know. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video yet again, and I will talk to you very soon